What are you doing? I am studying. I am cooking. I am watching TV. I am reading a book. I am cleaning the house. I am talking on the phone. I am listening to music. I am playing a game. I am writing an email. I am drinking water. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing the dishes. I am taking a shower. I am exercising. I am shopping. I am driving. I am waiting for the bus. I am walking in the park. I am painting a picture. I am singing a song. I am dancing. I am planting flowers. I am feeding my cat. I am opening the window. I am packing my bag. I am watering the plants. I am tying my shoes. I am folding my clothes. I am rubbing my eyes. Thanks for watching.